Today we are going to make ambatik curry, which is, as my cat also wants to have some, I think. So for today's recipe we'll need these ingredients: some garlic, around 7 to 8 small ginger. We have salt and tamarind, tomato, and one green chili. If you need some spicy, you can add two, but one is alright. So we'll get, first thing is we will grind the tomato and the red chilies in the small mixer with the tamarind. Yes, and this ginger and garlic will choply fine chop. And this is so this is called kokum, normally used in Goa for recipe. And for the curry, normally we use sardines, which we call talle in Goa, but we will use baby mackerels, which we call bangdule in Goa, right? So I'll just get on. First I'll be chopping this, and then we will be grinding these three ingredients all together. While in this, no need to add water while we grind. Right now we have the tomato, red chilies and tamarind together. We'll grind it and make paste. Right here we got our tomato, red chilies, tamarind. We got it paste. Now here we chopped our garlic, ginger and chili. If you don't want it too spicy, you can just add one chili. That's one chili, that's the second chili. So if you want less spicy, you can add one chili. This is the starting when we are frying the whole masala. For now everything is ready. We need is for to start the process we need turmeric and red chili powder. First we'll be adding oil. This is the vessel which I'm going to cook in, and the oil you should add around 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. You can see I added lots. And now I'll be adding is the ginger garlic. Ginger garlic is getting fried on slow fire. Then we have to add chilies, as I said. So we will slowly stir it for a few minutes, let it be. As you can see, it's frying on slow fire. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric. That's it, not more, really. And give it a stir. Now we have to add 1 teaspoon and another teaspoon of red chili powder. Give it a thorough stir on slow fire. You can see it's getting red. And now we get our paste, tomato paste which we have made, and we put it in there. Right over there. Now you can see as on slow fire is getting prepared. We will add what is called in Goan language amsol, but we can call in English it's called kokum. So we add some few dried kokum and a cup of water, 1 glass water, right in there on slow fire. Don't higher the heat. And as it's getting cooked, we later on will add our mackerels, baby mackerels. So now we'll just cut our mackerels into two. to put it in the fish, and we'll keep it aside. To put it in the fish curry right now. So basically, what is amber tik in Goa? In English, I would like to explain is amber and tik means spicy and sour, right? So this is my grandmother's recipe. She used to make this for me, especially whenever I used to visit her home. Right now, as you can see, I have already cleaned the fish and kept in the fridge. So while cleaning, we add salt to it after and some turmeric for a marination. We keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes, which I had already done. So as you can see, the curry is boiling. You have to boil it around 10 to 15 minutes before you add the fish into the curry. But usually we use sardines for this curry, not mackerels. But now I have mackerels with me. Now I'll be adding some salt, a teaspoon of salt, small teaspoon of salt, right? According to your taste, you can add salt. How much would you like? Now, as the curry is getting ready, we'll make our rice. Yes, rice is important. So I'll be using 1 glass rice, and I'll be washing and cooking this rice. Then later on, I will be showing you the outcome. Now, as you see, I kept the rice on gas. We will be cooking it on fast fire because really I'm hungry. So after 15 to 20 minutes of boiling, it will be looking very nice, and you can drop in your small mackerels. It's delicious, really looks delicious. Slowly drop it, no need to hurry up, and make some space if there is. On slow fire, do not increase the heat. On slow fire we'll be cooking the mackerel. So for taste, let's taste it. If there is any salt less, perfect. Salt is alright. Just let it cool. Let it for slow fire. It's getting ready. Rice is on. So as you see, the rice is getting ready. After putting the fish in, you have to just keep the fish for boiling around 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, because the fish will get cooked very fast. You don't need to overcook the fish. Okay. And please do try the recipe as I am shown. You will love it. If you like it, please write and comment, leave and comment how is it well or no. Right now you can see the curry is ready. Looks really delicious. I'll be serving this right here. So this is our amber tik fish curry. The Goan fish curry is ready right now, and if you like the recipe, please subscribe.